Here we are again, my chefs. Now we can finally start the polenta. So let's go towards the very big kitchen. And here is my very big kitchen. But I mean, we have everything we need, so that's fine. Okay, so here as usual, we have all the ingredients to make the polenta. So we have 2 liters of water, 500 grams of corn flour, which is the main ingredient of this recipe, 50 grams of oil that I will then put in the water so that lumps do not form, and we have some coarse salt. And this is our very big stove that we will use today. Can I have the camera, please?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Okay, so first thing, we add the water into the pot. Okay, now we can put our pan on top of the stove and wait for it to boil.
Nico. Oh, I want you to tell her who you are.
Okay, let's put our pan on top.
So tell her stranger.
Hopefully this won't take an eternity.
1 eternity later.
Okay, so before the water boils, I'm going to throw in the salt. As the water is now boiling, I'm going to add the olive oil inside so that lumps do not form.
I hear
It's not essential, but I mean, put it because it's better.
the overrides and feel.
Always keep your kitchen clean, even if it's small. And though we won't need this because the metal one is better. Okay, now the only thing that we will need is the flour. So let's put it in the water. Very slowly.
And feel the wonder making way.
Whisk until the flour doesn't thicken up. Okay, see, since the polenta has thickened, now you can lower the flame and just keep mixing for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go lower the flame. And now just mix for 30 minutes. So I don't know, you can stay there for 30 minutes. I'm just gonna keep mixing.
Was that inside?
This is how it is 10 minutes later. Okay, but now I'm gonna use a wooden ladle because it's better. And just keep mixing for another like 30 minutes. I mean like 20.
Just let something out. Please open up.
Okay, so 35 minutes later, now I think we can turn off the fire because I think we should taste that. So I think we need a plate and some polenta on top because I'm very hungry. Oh, wow, that's magic. Okay, so this will be my fork. We're in the forest, what do you expect? Okay, so let's try this delicious polenta. And also you may wonder why there's so much, but that's how you eat the polenta. You need to have a lot on your plate.
Why you treat her like
Polenta is always really good. You can even eat it with cheese. And it comes from the mountains because it's hot, so it like keeps you warm during winter. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you guys. Goodbye from Italy. Whoa. Okay, this is the situation. Goodbye from Italy. Ah!
I want to know.
Vorrei sapere.
I want to know.
Vorrei sapere.
Vorrei sapere.
I want to know.
Vorrei sapere.